We are pleased to show you the 2008 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood, Decatur.